YouTube. Both of these hold 29 rounds, okay? These are 29 round magazines, YouTube. Monetize this video, okay? That's what this video is about. This video is about the best magazine for the 7.62 AR-15s. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rock Tactical, and I'm back, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm dropping. I say this a lot, but I'm dropping. I ain't even finna do all that. I'm dropping. But look, today I got a long-awaited video, right? So I know I got a lot of people who built the 7.62 AR because they seen mine. Not trying to say it like that, but I got a lot of people that comment that, right? Now, as I said before, it's a lot that goes into building a 7.62 AR. No matter if it's a micro AR, a rifle, a pistol, I've seen them all jam, okay? 4 types of jams I see. I see a failure to feed, a failure to extract, I see light primer strikes, and then I see one where it will, like, it'll shoot the bullet, but it won't grab the casing. And that's one I see kind of a lot, because most of these ARs that people buy offline, the uppers, they be dirt cheap, $200, $300. So they're sending you the cheapest parts they can find to make it. You see what I'm saying? So that's what comes with a build. You can buy a cheap upper, but you have to put good parts in it. Now, if you buy a better upper, about $600, $700, you may get a better quality. Who knows? Spend the money and see. But so what I'll do, whenever I'm building a 7.62 AR, I just grab a fail 0 bolt. Bolt's never gonna fail. Okay, your bolt will never be the problem if you grab a good bolt. Next, the magazine is big, bro. So that's what this video is about. This video is about the best magazine for the 7.62 AR-15s. Now, I've owned a 7.62 AR-15 for 2 years, right? I've ran through probably 10 mags, threw some mags away, I've broke some mags. But it's one company I found that makes the best magazines. Like, and I've had these magazines for more than a year, so it's not like I just got the magazine is working. I done left the magazine loaded for 6, 7, 8 months, and it still ran perfectly fine. Now, as you guys can see, I do have a bunch of mags here. A bunch of mags. This is 4 of the mags. Wait. First, let me guys show you. This is the gun. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, probably won't know this gun. If you've been here since the beginning, you know this gun. This is the first AR I've ever built. My first upper I've ever bought was a 7.62 upper. I jumped in the game of AR pistols with a 7.62. I did so much with this gun, I'm satisfied with it. Like, I don't even take it out to shoot no more. It's really just like decoration. I don't have the sight on there because I'm finna rattle can the whole thing FDE. Just like that, the whole gun is finna be FDE. Just gonna do it, and I'm gonna keep getting. I'm gonna start back getting shots through it. It's all about really finding the range right now, but I'm gonna keep getting shots through it. But let me show you guys. It is clear. Mag is empty. It's another mag. So I just want to show you guys the gun who started us off. The reason we're here now is because of this 7.62 AR. So what I said about the nickel boron fail 0 bolt, that's what I mean. It's a nickel boron, says fail 0. It's about 250 bucks. It's worth every penny. I promise you, it's worth every penny. I put this bolt into my 5-inch 7.62 ARs and they run amazingly. So now, I would say there's three major magazine companies when it comes to the 7.62 AR. No matter, like I said, if it's a pistol, rifle, anything. So, I got 5, I got 5 mags here, right? 2 of these mags I've had for 2 years. All the rest I've had for a year. So we're gonna start with the ones I got first. Now, first mag I got, this is a ProMag. This is the first mag I got. I don't know if you guys can. I'm trying to get it to focus. ProMag. I don't know if you see it. Well, if you can't, sorry. But ProMag, right? Now, sorry, ProMag. This is not a diss to you guys or anything. Take it how you want, bro. Simple as that. Suck. ProMag AR-15 mags suck. Like, listen. the follower and spring are trash. These mags will jam. These mags will cause you to hate the 7.62 platform and the AR-15 because it caused me to hate it, right? ProMag, stay away from ProMags. If it comes with a ProMag, sell it. Now, you can get a good ProMag in the run, but I've had too many ProMags that didn't run, so I threw them all away. I kept this one because it was the first one I ever had, and this is the mag I keep in the gun for my decoration mag. So, it's the only reason it's not in the trash. ProMag. Can you guys read that? ASC. Now, ASC, these mags are amazing. Durmag. Now, we're going to talk about ASC, then we're going to Durmag. ASC is a game changer. Okay? ASC is a game changer. Now, ASC, I didn't have to spray paint this mag. It came like this. It needed to come like this. The follower in the gun is amazing. The follower in the gun is amazing. The mag is built amazing. The spring inside is amazing. I've never had the ASC mag fail to feed or fail to, I never had any mag related issues with the ASC mags, okay? Now, Durmag. Black Durmag. This is my micro 7.62. This is the one for that. This mag is amazing too. Follower is built really well. Spring in the gun, very responsive, very don't get sticky, works good. Okay, so Durmag and ASC mags are perfect. Go Durmag, go ASC. If you own a 7.62 AR pistol, get you a Durmag or a ASC mag for your 7.62. You won't have any problems. Okay, no more problems. Listen to me, bro. I have spent a pretty penny on 7.62 magazines, okay? I spent a pretty penny. This is just 5 of them, and they're like $20, $30 a mag. I've bought like 12, 13 mags. I threw a lot of mags away, wasted a lot of money. Don't be like me, okay? I'm telling you this so you won't be like me, so you won't waste your money. Order a Durmag or an ASC mag, okay? Now, those are the only two I've tested. I haven't tested anymore because it's like, once you find something that works, you're like, why keep putting money into it when I already found something that works? Okay? Now, quick, let me just show you something, okay? This is the AR-15 7.62 mag. This is an AK-47 7.62 mag. Now, YouTube, both of these hold 29 rounds, okay? These are 29 round magazines, YouTube. Monetize this video, okay? 29 round magazines, YouTube. Don't be on that bull. Okay? These are 29 round magazines. Do you just see how big this one is compared to this one? So you see off rip, and it's like the AK mag curves way more. Like this one has a sharper curve, but this one has a more all around curve. You get what I'm saying? Right? So this is where some of the problems occur because the magazine well on the AR-15 is kind of straight. So they had to make it straight and then bend it, which has the spring in there all fucked up. Instead of like this to where it's just like one big curve. Okay? So this 7.62 AR, this 7.62 AK, this is a 5.56 mag, okay? Now, if you see the 5.56 mag kinda has a tiny curve, but overall it's straight. Okay, so this is why 300 blackout can perform well with no magazine issues because they can fit in here. So this is why this mag has issues because it wasn't made. These were never made to be in here. It's just Americans doing stuff, but I'm glad they did because I like it. I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. So if you getting you a 7.62 AR pistol, in my eyes, man, in my eyes, out of all these 29 round mags, YouTube, ACS and Durmag, please stay away from ProMag. Like I said, ProMag. Don't think this is a diss or anything like that. ACS and Durmag if you want a 7.62 magazine. Let's said, this my 7.62 little baby. Next time y'all see her, she will be FDE all the way around. But yeah, this is my first build, and I love her. This build is crazy. I'm talking about this build shoots more flame than my Draco. Micro, this that one. So, if you building 7.62, get your ACS or a ProMag, man. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, Rock Tactical.